welcome again to Shrink TV, our lovely live cooking show. So today we're going to be making the Shrink spicy veg patties. That is a mouthful, but they really are, and I hope you love them. Let's go. Okay, Ricky, what is going into the patties?
Okay, so we have a tin of chickpeas. This is a 130 gram drained weight, which is per portion, so it is.
Yep.
So, firstly, make sure you drain them. You have to drain the excess water. You don't want to be pureeing that because that'll make them way too wet.
Yep.
And not very nice to eat either.
Make sure and drain your chickpeas.
Yeah, so you just tip them into a colander and leave them for a minute and just let the excess liquid drain off them. Again, trusty NutriBullet. So everything just basically goes into the mixer or blender.
So small tin of chickpeas, drained chickpeas are in.
Clove of garlic. I like garlic in it, so I'll try just go with a full clove. If you like more, go for more. An egg. 2 tablespoonfuls of sweet corn. Again,
Drain them off a wee bit.
don't put any of the excess liquid in. If
Drain
you
your
are
sweet
going
corn
to
as
use
well.
frozen sweet corn, defrost it and drain it. You don't want excess water in this.
Yeah.
Because again, it'll make it too thin.
That's,
Same principles
yeah,
as the pancakes, really.
Yeah. So if you're using frozen, make sure you drain off, because when they're frozen there is excess water, which does cause sogginess. So you heard it from the chef. Okay.
Again, this is one of my favourite little pans. Non-stick, nice and heavy. I think on Vitality it does say put them on the sheet. Like 3 little patties on the sheet. I just do one big one in this pan. Then this can pop into the oven. Obviously, if you're going to put it in the oven, don't be putting a plastic handle one in. Parsley. I like fresh parsley or fresh herbs as opposed to dried herbs. It's just far nicer and
He's adding the fresh ones.
Yeah,
so
but
entirely up to you.
dried is
Easier.
okay as well.
Yep.
Just pop it in because it's all going to get blended anyway. A little bit of chili. I do like mine spicy. So some chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Paprika.
Paprika.
A teaspoonful of paprika. And some cumin. The same.
Look at those colours.
Yeah.
Oh, here he goes in the salt again. Here he goes in his wee sprinkle of salt.
And some black pepper. And we're going to blend this. It's all blended. It doesn't have to be smooth. Yeah, there is still wee small lumps of the chickpeas and stuff there.
But that's good, because some people don't like a really smooth texture. So spring onion.
I personally prefer to just chop the spring onion into it. You can puree it as well. It's not going to make that much of a difference, but I just think it just gives it a wee bit of
I love spring onion.
different textures and flavours. Don't want everything just a total mush all of the time.
No. Some people do struggle with a smooth consistency, so by leaving a little bit of chunks in, it actually helps that. So if that's you and you don't like
So we're
Smooth
gonna
textures. This is perfect for
heat
you.
our
This one.
pan. Yep.
There we go. Low or high?
We'll go medium.
There we go. So a wee bit of coconut oil again.
Yep.
So it's very little, guys. It's honestly the size of your thumb.
If you were perhaps using a frying pan that wasn't non-stick, you may need.
Do you not think most people use non-stick now?
Yeah, nowadays, yeah.
Need a non-stick pan,
Yeah.
definitely.
This one's great. I think I got this in Debenhams
Okay,
in Belfast in Castle Court at one time. It's a great wee pan, so it is.
it's a great wee pan. It's a great wee
Sometimes you
pan.
find things it's good and sometimes they're not so good.
But this is good. It's a
So
great
that's a
wee
good
pan.
one, yeah. So again, you can feel the pan getting hot.
So you do one big one.
One big one, yeah.
He doesn't separate those patties. He does one big
I
one.
found now the first time I did do them, try them on the tray. I just found that again you're putting this in the hot pan, so it starts cooking
Okay.
instantaneously.
So a
Whereas
pan.
if you put it in a tray, it's maybe another 4 or 5 minutes
Yep.
before it's hot. And also it's just quicker too. So
Look at that colour.
you want that nice vibrant green colour of it. Essentially this is a falafel.
A falafel.
Falafel.
My husband was here, would go, I am not eating that because it's green. You know how Russell and me fight over broccoli? He would just think that's a big broccoli pancake. But it's not.
No.
It's not.
We'll just gently spread it out.
So Ricky, when you first came to Fatale that night of weighing,
Yeah.
you were a nervous wee spud.
Yeah, I was a bit nervous, so I was.
Why?
Because you're in a full room full of women to start with. Well, apart from Joanne and Barbara and Pamela, I didn't know anybody else. And anybody that has weight issues know that if you put the weight on, the confidence goes down. So yeah, it was. I was never skeptical because Barbara had done it before and had the results. So I was never skeptical. Just didn't know if it was going to be for me.
Yeah.
On a, personally. But I think it did help doing it together and
It
work.
gave you that accountability with each other.
Yes, and I think if we were locked down, I've missed not having weigh-ins as well.
I know. Don't worry. We'll get them back up. The baseball bat is waiting.
It gives you an end to the week more than anything. You know, it's like, right, that's a 1 week done. On to the next one.
Of all my weeks of weighing, Ricky, his measurements were reducing so fast, and his weight so much. If you got you have 4.5
stone off.
4.5 stone.
Not sure what my inches are because I did lose track of them with lockdown, but because I was just weighing myself. But 4.5 stone.
Unreal, and we're going to show you a before and after picture here as well. He laughed at this because, God love him, he came the first night and Barbara was like, get up against that wall and take your top off and give me a before picture, didn't she?
Yeah.
But I'm sure when you look back, you were glad you got that picture done because it just reminds you
Yeah,
of how
well,
far
actually,
you came.
Barbara did say at the time, she said, you'll appreciate this, and I was like, no, like, no, I do now.
Now
I
you do, so guys,
gives
honestly,
it's a wee bit of a sense of achievement more than anything. So this, you can see this starting to
bubble.
Yeah,
Same with the
bubble,
pancakes.
but same with pancakes. It's starting to change colour around the sides.
Smell this. It's like proper.
I don't try
spicy.
to flip this because it's going to go everywhere. So what we're going to do now, in the oven for 10 minutes. 180. 180 degrees and
There we go. Oh, there you go. For
10 minutes and that's it.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh, we'll wait on this cooking. See what this looks like. Okay, so while that is cooking in the oven, there's been one question that has been heavily asked on the support page, and it is, Ricky?
Sweet potato fries.
And how do you stop mine going soggy? Ricky is going to show us all now. Let's take it away. Right, Ricky.
Okay, sweet potato fries, medium sized sweet potato, dead easy. Takes no time at all. just give it a wash and then dry it. I don't peel it. I just leave the skin on.
Going to say that.
More
So skin
nutrients.
on, guys. Skin on.
Yeah. Doesn't
Cut
make
off the
any.
end bits.
Yeah, just take the ends off. What you want to do is cut it into equal size pieces. You want them to be. You don't want them to be too thin, because then they'll burn real quickly.
If they're too thin, they'll burn.
And if they're too thick, they'll go soggy.
And if they're too thick, they'll go soggy. So
So
let's
we want
see how
them-
to do this. I'm so
Keep them
excited!
as even as possible. You're roughly that size there. So we are.
Sometimes I feel I need to take a chainsaw to cut sweet potato because they're pretty.
Yeah, just
pretty hard, aren't
just make sure it's on a nice, even, flat surface and it's not wobbling, because that is a recipe for a missing
Disaster.
finger. Yes.
Okay, so again, a
Little
thumb
bit
size.
of the thumb size piece of the coconut oil.
Here we go again, Mr.
Salt.
Saltman. Black
Pepper.
pepper.
You can use ground white pepper or ground black pepper. I just prefer freshly milled. I put chili flakes into mine. I put chili into most
Yeah,
things.
chili flakes.
It is optional. You don't have to.
No, put chili flakes in. They're really good.
And then just get your hands in, give it a good mix about, and the heat from your hands will soften the
oil.
oil, and basically you just want to
Coat them.
Coat them, yeah. Sweet
So Ricky,
potatoes.
while you're coating there, tell me this. You see, since you've lost your weight,
Mm-hmm.
have you found a new self-confidence within yourself?
I wouldn't say self-confidence. I think I'm just happier.
Yeah.
More happier within
Yeah.
myself. I definitely sleep better.
Yeah,
Which has big impact on how you feel through the day.
absolutely. And you're running now,
I
which
run,
is massive.
And one thing that I was really bad at was drinking water. Don't always quite make my 2 litres every day, but
You're nearly there.
nearly there.
Do you find a difference when
Find
you
it.
don't drink the water?
Yes, big
Yeah.
difference, yeah.
What way does it make you feel?
That would be one to have a wee snooze in the afternoon for a start. Yeah, that would be the big one. So that would-
Absolutely, I would agree. So if you aren't drinking all your water, you will get that afternoon slump.
Yeah.
He said it himself.
Yeah. And I think drinking your as close to the 2 litres as you can does help you stick to the food as well, because it does make you feel fuller.
It really does.
I think people do mistake thirst for
Hunger.
hunger for thirst.
That's right. I agree.
And making sure you drink the water is.
Yeah.
I have a wee routine now. I always have a glass in the morning,
Morning.
a glass after each meal, and then if I'm exercising, then I have a bottle with me. So that usually
Yeah.
gets me into near enough my 2 litres.
So he's actually doing 10k runs at the minute, which is fantastic. And for a guy that came into his first weigh-in session to now, honestly, it's unbelievable. I am so proud of you. And not only that, I have found a chef. It's amazing, amazing, and he's awesome. So what next then?
Yeah, so they're all nicely evenly coated on the tray. You don't want them all sitting on top of each other, spread them out.
So how long in the oven then, Ricky, would you say?
180 degrees for 15 minutes.
180 for 15
Yeah,
minutes?
it sort of depends. You know, if they're thinner, it'll take a little less
Okay.
time. There's no real specific time. Just keep an eye on them.
So we're going to come back to these,
And
and
we'll come back to these. Now, sweet potatoes that you would get in a restaurant are obviously
yeah,
deep fat fried.
they are.
Therefore, they will be a lot crispier.
But then they're not as good for
But
you,
they're not as
and they're
healthy
not
for
as
you.
healthy. No,
So-
definitely not. And
You can't really compare the two.
No.
You know, mine aren't crispy because I had them in such a place.
Yeah.
And they were lovely and crispy. They obviously have deep fried them. So
no deep frying, oven cook only. Sweet potato has so many health benefits, guys, as well. So I'm just going to pop these into the oven for
15 minutes.
15 minutes. So what consistency are we looking for at this point, Ricky?
Yeah, you can see that it's feels firm.
Yep.
All the excess moisture is all evaporated, and really it just looks like a pancake.
Big green pancake.
Green
Okay.
pancake, yes.
Let's taste this bad boy. Look at that.
And I think on the plan it's served with steamed green beans, fast yogurt, and rocket.
Can I taste?
You can.
So Ricky, I can see wee chunks still all in there, which is brilliant because there's spring onions.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I do think the fresh herbs make a difference.
Real. You see if you scratch and sniff your TV screen right now, you'll get this. I dare you. Try it. Honestly, this is amazing. Again, because I didn't make it, it tastes even nicer. Guys, that's the way your patties can turn out from now on. Give it a go. Oh my goodness. Now these are all crunchy.
So you can see that the natural sugars have started to nearly caramelise.
Oh my goodness. Ricky, they are amazing. Perfect sweet potato fries. Job done. Oh my, look at the beautiful colours, the vegetables, the nutrients, all included in one big patty. Now, you have, instead of doing 3, Ricky did 1, and I would actually agree this is better.
Yeah.
I really would.
Just has less things that can go wrong with it.
Yeah.
So it has.
So this again, guys, it's foolproof. Please watch the video. You're going to love this, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Guys, hop off to the kitchen and make it happen, and I'll see you next time.